Want to trade tokens available on Ton blockchain? Let me show you how you can trade on STON.fi, the native DEX on Ton blockchain. First, connect wallet. Select Ton blockchain compatible wallet. I have Tonkeeper. Click on Tonkeeper browser extension and click on connect wallet, and my wallet is connected. Here you can see and available balance. After connecting the wallet, select the pair you want to trade. I want to trade Ton to Stone. Enter the amount. Let's say I enter 0.5 Ton token into Stone token. How much I receive? Click on swap. Here you get the information about fees. Confirm swap. Pop-up came into the Tonkeeper wallet. Transaction fees, how much you receive, wallet, enter the password. I enter the password and my transaction being executed. After some time you will receive Stone token into your wallet. So my transaction is executed and I receive my Stone token. Here you can see in my wallet I swap into Stone token. Trading is that much easy on STON.fi. Want to trade on STON.fi? Visit now.